Hello, welcome to yet another vlog. So this is what we got ourselves from the market for today. Guys, look at that watermelon. It's super huge. Anyways, we'll talk about that later. Hoping we're all doing well, and welcome to this vlog. Today it's gonna be a short one, though we will do just an overview of the things that we have, and then we go wash them, and afterwards we store them in the fridge. Yeah, so onto our first item. We were able to get ourselves some carrots. These ones, all of them were going for 150. Yeah, it was not so bad, and normally they will last us up to almost 2 weeks thereby. Here we have peas, in Kiswahili minji. Minji is Kiswahili or Kikuyu. Anyway, you got it. We got peas. This is almost like a kg. It was going for 200 or 150, I can't remember. Then we got ourselves some oranges. Guys, I don't know, God have mercy, but we'll see. The seller was like, yeah, they will ripen and look orange. Yeah, so I'm hopeful that they will become orange. Then there were no green bell peppers. They were looking so ugly, so we decided to go with the yellow and the red ones. These ones were a total of 80 shillings. You see, the size is good, so if you just use one, it's enough. We also got some butternut. This one was going for 50, same to this was going for 50, so that is 100. We normally use butternut or pumpkin for our chapatis. We also got ourselves pawpaw. We like taking it when it's unripe. That one was going for 150 because we have a watermelon. We will start with the melon, finish it, and then by the time we're done with the melon, the pawpaw will be ready to eat. We also got ourselves some onions. They're not bad, they're medium sized. If you can just see, they're medium sized, and a kilo was going for 80. Yeah, no, it was going for 90. So we got ourselves 2 kilos. And then we also got some tomatoes. A kilo was also going for 80 shillings, so we got 2 kilos. And then, guys, can you imagine, can you even this is a whole head here. A kilo was going for 35 shillings, and we wanted, how many kilos? We wanted 10 kilos because here most of us love melon. So yeah, yes, so I was saying our popular fruit is watermelon, so we took a whole 10 kgs. This one will last us for maybe 1.5 weeks, so stick around to also see how we normally store it so that it lasts longer in the fridge. Then, guys, you may be wondering why it has this. Well, for us, we normally purchase from one supplier, so she has kind of gotten used to us. Therefore, we normally tell her we need to be sure that the watermelon is red on the inside. So what do? They cut for you this portion. Otherwise, guys, imagine if you buy this whole watermelon and then it comes out it is white inside. That will be premium tears. So yeah, she cuts it for us, we confirm it's red, and voila, we carry it home. However, if it's not red, she's okay. She'll be like, I'll get you another one here. Yeah, guys, so this is the whole essence of us making our supplier cut for us our melon. We just need to confirm that it is a real deal. Yeah, so this was a real deal, and we accepted and moved home with it, waiting to devour it. Yeah, we also got ourselves some kidogo bananas, just a few bananas we prefer buying on a daily. So we got a few, just a bunch. Yep, here we go with the bananas. These ones were for I think 60 shillings. And yeah, we are done with our grocery haul. It's a mini grocery haul. So yeah, join me as we clean them and arrange them in the fridge. Yeah guys, so that brings us to the end of our vlog, and here I was just going to show you how we have arranged them in the fridge. Those tomatoes on the dough were a bit mashed, so I will start with them. Yeah, and then we put the melons on the bottom section of the fridge, the bell peppers, the oranges, the tomatoes, and then for the carrots we put them in a airtight container lined with a serviette on the bottom. Yep, those were some other items we arranged. And then on the freezer part we had our vegetables, our green peas. Yeah, and it was a lovely days. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this far, guys. Toodles.